Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This well-sought architectural home is located in the cool hills of Belvedere, Red Hills. This multi-purpose home is perfect for a single family, perfect for investment, perfect for Airbnb, or better yet, perfect for all mentioned. This home consists of 8 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and was converted into 3 well sought apartment units, all self contained. It also can be easily converted back to a single family residence, located just minutes away from the foot of the hill and sits on a little under 1/3 of an acre with a stunning city and mountain view. The property is completely upgraded with modern fixtures and fittings, also fitted with an electronic gate, water tank, and water pump. Call now to schedule viewing and make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.